Bam. Give you guys some extra light. But just so you can see, the entire cage was painted teal to match. And this thing was black from the factory, so all the white you see is all aftermarket. Well guys, welcome back out to the shop, and you'll notice here something is missing. The L5P is gone. It is down at the shop. We've had a lot of questions on the transmission. What's going on with it? What is the problem? And how did you fix it? So we're going to have an update on the L5P very, very soon. It may or may not be back on the road already for testing. So we are super pumped about that. Also, Ovi and the guys did just get back from the Ozarks. You'll see the beautiful setup here. Everything white and teal, the custom gooseneck, the Razor Pro, and the CFMoto that we're going to talk about in today's video. If you didn't see our last video with Colton and Zach's old 3rd gen, for that matter, that video was super epic. That truck's so killer. Also needs a transmission. So we'll see if we can get in that unit once the transmission is fixed. It'd be so sick to do a startup, do a drive in that viral 3rd gen. So go back, watch that. We have a ton of cool stuff still planned, still coming week after week. So stick around if you're new. We're going to go over the 2.5-inch lift kit on the CFMoto. Real quick, you may notice it's got tint. It's got 5% tint on the sides, on the back, and then the windshield, I believe, maybe 25 or 30. Ovi, you'll have to tell me if I'm wrong there, boss. But look at the reflection. You can see the light bouncing off that tint. Sucker looks so good. This thing got a ton of compliments. We've been working on this. This was bone stock right from the factory last summer. So it's a 2025 CFMoto U10 PRO XL with some of the Highland features. Obviously custom paint matched. But you can see in there, got the nice brown leather. I call it like the King Ranch style interior. We can go over more of that here if this is your first video. It's not going to be a step-by-step how-to video. We will show you guys the lift kit, unboxing it. I'll show you when we had it up here on the lift. I sound like a noob all the time. And then I'll show you guys here the products on there. So anyways, today's video is going to be sponsored by Perfex Industries. They were super excited to work with us on this project and expedite these parts to us. And then we drug our feet forever on getting it done because life happens, you know what I mean? But big shout out to them guys. This was a great price point. This sucker is top quality for sure. They are based in Canada. They do cover all the tariff shipping costs, and I believe they have free shipping right now over like $200. So make sure you guys get on the website, check out. They got tons of great products for all the different platforms, Polaris, CFMoto, Polaris, etc. They're going to have something you need, so we're going to take a closer look at that. We also built this Razor Pro on the channel from bone stock a year or so ago. The thing's been rode super hard, but it looks incredible. Nonetheless, if I can get up on the trailer here, she is an absolute unit, ain't she? Fully built, beautiful, white and teal. Ovi custom welded everything you see on here, and then we had it shipped out to powder. There's the OG Razor also. Sorry, I know if you guys have subscribed, you've seen all these builds, but I'm just trying to get you up to speed. And then here is the new CFMoto. This thing looks absolutely incredible. But first, let's dive into the unboxing and show you about this lift kit. Wow, check that out. Look at that Perfex riveted right on there. Look at how nice it is. And this bubble wrap is like sticky, so they wrapped this sucker super nice. No wonder they didn't want to not paint them for us. We were almost going to have them just send them raw so we could send them off for paint. And we don't even know if we're going to paint them yet, to be honest. The black looks really good, and I don't know how much you're going to see it anyways. Even if we were to go teal or white with the kit, comment below on what you guys think we should do. But yeah, look at how nice it is with the installation instructions. Even the hardware bags, super nice looking hardware. Clamps in there, rear hardware right there. Front hardware, Perfex. It is perfect in the name even. And look at how nice the brackets are. And I don't even know what these are gonna be for. I opened one of them just to see. But look at how clean. Oh my gosh, they even say Perfex on there. Unbelievable, guys. No wonder Ovi wanted this kit so dang bad. I was wondering why he was going with this one, but man, can see why now. This thing looks absolutely baller. It's gonna look so good on the CFMoto. So guys, we are underway on the installation of the CFMoto lift kit. We've got the instructions out over here. Everything looks nice. They got good diagrams, they've got pictures, good text, so we know exactly how to put the sucker on. Looks pretty simple. Ovi's been working on it. You can see you got the hardware out over here, and most importantly, there's the CFMoto up on the lift. She looks so beautiful. Got the tires off of it. It's just so funny how clean it is. Although Ovi did get it out once, everything is still brand new under here. And last minute, he was starting to put the lift kit on, and he said, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get it powder coated teal to match. So that's gonna be so sick. We were gonna leave it black, but now we're not. So what the heck is this spacer doing here, boy? Did you end up getting spacers over? But anyway, so the lift kit itself did go out for powder. So as soon as that gets back, I'll give you guys an update. I just kind of wanted to show you it up on the lift because it looks cool. You can see the suspension tore apart. And yeah, just envision it because it's gonna look so cool. All done up. It's not gonna sit a ton higher. It's just a I believe it's just a 2-inch lift, 2.5, something like that. So not massive. Maybe gonna have these spacers on here. Gonna sit a little bit tougher. Little tough, yeah, because see, there ain't no spacers on the back. And yep, right here in the box are the spacers right there. How about that? So there's the 2 for the back. I knew those were 2 on the front there. So sick. You can see right on there, 2-inch spacers. Gonna look super epic. Gonna poke them wheels out even more. Man, this is gonna be a unit, boy. Okay, so now that you saw the unboxing, kind of the walk around, seeing this thing in the sky, you can always do this thing on the ground with the floor jack. The old Daytona Harbor Freight Special right there, boy. But you can do your lift kit with one of those. You don't need one of them, right? That's what I'd be using. We ain't all got these fancy shafts, boy. But anyways, this sucker looks so freaking good. I'm trying not to fall off in here. But here you guys can see it's put back together. Gosh, it looks so good. I'll turn the camera light on. Bam. Give you guys some extra light. But just so you can see, the entire cage was painted teal to match. And this thing was black from the factory, so all the white you see is all aftermarket. Gosh, we got some dust in here. Oh, I'll clean this sucker up. I'm like the cleanup guy. The windshield goes up, so I think I got a picture of that. The windshield goes all the way up. This thing is a monster, and look at how big it is just compared to the Razor, although that is cropped, but still. Anyways, looks so good here on the trailer. We just got dust everywhere, don't you? Look at how sweet this sucker is. Yeah, boy. Love this thing. What a unit. And it's not done. We still got plenty to do to it. But yeah, there she is. U10 PRO XL. Looks beautiful. Rear slider. Tinted. Love it. Alright, so there she is. Let's look at the lift kit specifically. And like I said, Ovi got this thing powdered teal to match. So you can see this isn't part of the kit. What do they call that, a pitman arm or something? Sorry, I'm terrible with lift kits, but anyways, you can see the kit up in there. So on the front, the 2 brackets run all the way across the front. They got spacers, they got new hardware for you, and you do have to compress the spring down, perhaps with a compression tool. Ovi had the shocks tore apart already for paint, so he said it was kind of a bear to do, so just be mindful of that. But the rails just slide across. I'm not sure why we didn't powder those over. Maybe you'll let me know. The back one is. That one's not, the front one, but that's okay. And then in the rear, more powder. Gosh, that looks so good, don't it? It's hard for me to get around up in there and then get the camera. So, in the back, it's got 2 brackets, 1 on each side, some shorter ones that point down, and then the long one runs the distance. And look, Perfex. If you guys remember from the unboxing. So let's try to go. Just trying to get all the angles here, boy. Get under the goosey. Yeah, oh yeah, you can see even better on this side. Where's my angle? Up in here, probably. Yeah. And see how that, you can get a better idea of the lift kit there. So really, that's all it is. Long bracket across, small one on each side, new hardware, compress the springs. Two long ones all the way across, compress the springs, and some hardware. You know, that's pretty much it. Ovi said it took 30 minutes to install, so not bad. He's a mechanic, so that means it would have taken everybody else 31 minutes. No, probably a little bit longer, but yeah, that's the lift kit on there. The white and teal goes crazy, don't it? The color choice was spot on. The black looked good from the factory, but the teal just does it even better, don't it? So there you guys have it, the 2.5-inch lift on the CFMoto U10 to clear, 33-inch tires. We got the 32s on there right now, I believe. Oh yeah, the fine folks over at Obor, we got the 32, 10, 15s on there. And shout out to Planet Side by Side too for hooking us up with the wheel and tire setup on there. Obor everything. This sucker is a unit, and don't she look good on the trailer? So I do apologize we didn't have any actual video clips from the trip. Sometimes it's nice just to get out there, enjoy the elements with the guys, and not focus on getting the camera, getting the right shot. Just out living life, enjoying the outdoors. I think that's what we're all about anyway. So we will get some more clips of this thing as we go through the summer and the years obviously to come here on the channel. So make sure you stick around for that. Go back and watch some of the other videos on the CFMoto if you want to see more behind the scenes build progress on this thing. Also, you can follow Ovi on Snapchat, me on Instagram, and yeah, we just appreciate you guys for all your love and support. Big shout out to Perfex Industries. Go ahead and follow them, check out their website, and get your ride hooked up. So here we go, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.